Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. I will call you I arrive. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. She bought apples, oranges. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. The children were hungry, they ate quickly. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. They went inside, it was raining. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. He is clever, lazy. Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. I will go to the party, I am invited. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. We must hurry, we will be late. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. She failed the test, she did not study. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. He is rich, he is unhappy. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. It rains, I will take an umbrella. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. She is both smart, kind. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. We went to the beach, it was too cold to swim. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. I have never been to Paris, have I been to Rome? Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. I will wait, you finish your work. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. He passed the test, he studied hard. Option A is the correct answer.